Have you ever wondered how to make money online with AI technology? The answer might be closer than you think. AI, or artificial intelligence, has taken the world by storm, and its presence is particularly strong in the realm of online entrepreneurship. This revolutionary technology has transformed the way we conduct business, opening up a plethora of opportunities for those willing to harness its power. So, what exactly is AI? In layman's terms, it's a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of thinking and learning like humans. It's about crafting algorithms that mimic the human brain, allowing machines to analyze, predict, and make decisions. But AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a diverse field with countless applications, from chatbots that enhance customer service, recommendation systems that personalize user experience, to predictive analytics that help businesses forecast future trends. AI has something for every online entrepreneur. Consider the rise of voice-activated AI assistants like Siri and Alexa. These virtual assistants have made our lives easier, but they've also created an entirely new platform for businesses to reach their customers. Entrepreneurs are now building skills and apps for these platforms, creating a new income stream. Moreover, AI has also made a significant impact on digital marketing. With AI, businesses can analyze vast amounts of data to understand their customers' behaviors and preferences, allowing them to deliver more personalized and effective marketing campaigns. This results in higher conversion rates and increased profits. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI in online entrepreneurship is its potential for automation. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up entrepreneurs to focus on more strategic aspects of their business. This not only increases efficiency, but also reduces operational costs. The power of AI in online entrepreneurship is undeniable. It's an exciting time to be an entrepreneur, with AI opening up new avenues for innovation and profit. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, AI presents an opportunity to revolutionize your business and make money online. Now, let's dive into how you can leverage this powerful technology to make money online. Before we delve into the money-making aspect, it's crucial to understand the basics of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. In essence, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. One of the most important principles of AI is machine learning. Just as the term suggests, machine learning is all about teaching machines to learn by themselves without being explicitly programmed. The key here is data. The more data you feed these machines, the better they learn and perform. Imagine a machine that can predict your customer's shopping behavior by simply analyzing their previous transactions. Fascinating, isn't it? Deep learning takes machine learning to a whole new level. It's a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. These layers are essentially algorithms, each designed to recognize a different feature. This is the technology behind the face recognition feature on your smartphone or the recommendation engine of your favorite streaming service. Next, we have natural language processing, or NLP. This is the technology that helps machines understand and interact with human language. NLP is the reason why we can talk to virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, or why we can type a question into Google and get a relevant answer. Finally, we have robotics, which is the branch of AI that focuses on creating machines designed to act and move like humans. These can range from simple robotic arms in manufacturing lines to complex humanoid robots designed for social interaction. Now, you might be wondering, how does all this apply to online businesses? Well, whether it's predicting customer behavior, automating customer service, or optimizing logistics, AI can be the key to unlocking unprecedented levels of efficiency and customer satisfaction in your online business. With a solid understanding of AI, you're now ready to explore its money-making potentials. So how exactly can you make money online with AI? Let's break it down step by step. First, identify a profitable niche. AI can be utilized in virtually any industry, from healthcare to finance to retail. The key is to pinpoint a sector where there's a high demand for innovative solutions and where AI can provide a unique value proposition. Maybe it's a chatbot for customer service in e-commerce, or a predictive analytics tool for stock investing. The possibilities are endless. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to understand your target market. AI tools can help sift through mountains of data to identify your ideal customer profile. This includes their preferences, behaviors, and pain points. Remember, the better you understand your customers, the better you can tailor your product or service to meet their needs. Next, it's time to develop your product or service. Whether it's an AI-powered app, software, or a consulting service, make sure it's something that can address a real need in your chosen market. It's not enough to have a cool high-tech product. It must offer tangible benefits that can enhance users' lives or businesses. Now that you have your product, you need to implement AI strategies in your business operations. This might involve using AI for customer service, like chatbots or virtual assistants. Or perhaps it's AI for marketing automation, like ad targeting or email marketing. AI can also streamline your internal processes, like inventory management or data analysis. Remember, the goal here isn't just to use AI for the sake of it. The aim is to leverage AI to make your operations more efficient, saving you time and money, and to provide a better experience for your customers, which can lead to increased sales. Speaking of sales, AI can also play a big role in boosting your revenue. With AI, you can implement dynamic pricing, where prices are adjusted in real time based on factors like demand, competition, and customer behavior. You can also use AI to predict sales trends and customer behavior, allowing you to make more informed decisions about your business strategy. Finally, don't forget to continually monitor and optimize your AI tools and strategies. AI is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Regularly review your performance metrics and customer feedback, and adjust your strategies as needed. And always keep an eye out for new AI technologies and trends that could benefit your business. By incorporating AI into your online business, you can significantly boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey to success with AI isn't necessarily a straight path. It requires patience, constant learning, and a willingness to adapt. But with the right strategies and a commitment to innovation, you can harness the power of AI to create a thriving online business. And that's it. By incorporating AI into your online business, you can significantly boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Still doubtful? Let's take a look at some entrepreneurs who made it big with AI. First off, we have the dynamic duo of Andrew Ng and Daphne Koller. These Stanford professors created Coursera, an online learning platform that uses AI to personalize learning experiences. They took the world of education by storm, breaking down barriers and making quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. They leveraged AI to overcome the challenge of personalizing education at scale, and their success is undeniable. Next, let's talk about Alex Chung, the brilliant mind behind Giphy. Giphy, the popular platform for sharing GIFs, uses AI to recognize images and suggest relevant GIFs to users. Chung's innovative use of AI transformed the way we communicate online, and Giphy was sold to Facebook for a whopping $400 million in 2020. Then, there's the story of Julia Hartz, who co-founded Eventbrite. This ticketing and event technology platform uses AI to predict customer preferences and personalize event recommendations. Hartz's ingenuity in implementing AI has revolutionized the event planning industry, proving that AI can disrupt even the most traditional markets. And who could forget the inspirational journey of Rana El-Kalioubi? She co-founded Effectiva, an emotion recognition software company that uses AI to analyze human emotions. Her groundbreaking work on emotion AI has opened up new possibilities in customer service, mental health, and even autonomous vehicles. Finally, the tale of Daniel Dines, the CEO of UiPath. UiPath uses AI to automate repetitive business processes, and under Dines' leadership, the company has grown exponentially, reaching a valuation of over $20 billion. As these success stories show, the sky's the limit when it comes to making money online with AI. These entrepreneurs saw the potential of AI, embraced its power, and used it to overcome challenges and achieve success. They transformed their industries, created value, and made a significant impact on the world. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an established business owner, take a page from their book. Harness the power of AI, and who knows, you might just be the next big success story. As these success stories show, the sky's the limit when it comes to making money online with AI. In today's video, we've explored how AI can revolutionize your online business and boost your income. We've delved into the power of AI in online entrepreneurship, revealing the limitless potential it holds for those ready to embrace it. We've gone through the basics of AI, demystifying this sophisticated technology, making it more approachable. We offered a step-by-step guide on how to integrate AI into your online business, a blueprint to unlock new levels of efficiency and profitability. And we've shared inspiring success stories of entrepreneurs who've harnessed the power of AI to make it big, proving that with the right tools and mindset, extraordinary achievements are within reach. Now it's your turn to tap into the game-changing power of AI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Remember, the future of online entrepreneurship lies in AI, and the sooner you embrace it, the sooner you can start reaping its benefits.